First, salesmen have to select the customer. They can select the customer that have buy the product before. For example, this customer. Then choose the product. After choosing product, they need to click the right bottom side to attach an image. When done, salesman can transfer the order. For the admin side, admin need to log in to the back office and click the transactions, and they have to change the credit note. Press search, the order will come to here. Sales admin can click the CN to verify the CN. If they have some item are not allowed, sales admin can click the item and reject it. When done, sales admin can transfer the order. In the Q&A, sales admin can check the credit note at the sales credit note module. Click in and they will see the credit note details.